Hello world, good morning. Today's one idea was inspired by a quotation I heard from a former Yale professor. He was speaking about the experience of what Yale students would get from their education. And he had this idea that in the traditional liberal arts and sciences education program, that it was all about challenging ideas. And he had this quotation that the students ought to enjoy the privilege of doubt. And that idea really got me thinking, this idea of the importance of doubt. It's important for students, obviously, as they're having this opportunity within the university setting to challenge ideas and come up with something new, something that challenges the traditional norms and expectations. But that's just as important, if not more so, for those of us who are entrepreneurs and leaders, those who are actually then going out into the world and taking action to disrupt what is currently there. And I was just intrigued by this idea of thinking about doubt as a privilege. I had never really thought about doubt in that way, so I wanted to share that idea with you and maybe get some of your feedback. What do you think about this idea of the privilege of doubt? Has doubt been a privilege in your experience as an entrepreneur, or maybe how could it be a privilege in your entrepreneurial experience? Let me know, and I will talk to you all later. Bye, everybody. Thanks for joining us today. Please don't forget to subscribe, review, and share this show. If you'd like exclusive content and behind-the-scenes insight, for just $4 a month, you can support us at buymeacoffee.com. Now, go make it a great day.